Starting in iOS 18 and iPadOS 18, you can use vehicle motion cues, which can help reduce motion sickness when using your iPhone or iPad as a passenger in a moving vehicle. Here's how it works. In your accessibility settings, tap Motion. Tap Show Vehicle Motion Cues. Then tap to turn it on. On iPhone, you can also choose to show vehicle motion cues automatically when vehicle motion is detected. Now that it's on, let's see how vehicle motion cues works in an app like Books. Using sensors built into iPhone and iPad, vehicle motion cues recognizes when you're in a moving vehicle and responds accordingly. Animated dots on the edges of the screen represent changes in vehicle motion, which can help to reduce sensory conflict without interfering with the main content you're viewing. To make it easier to turn vehicle motion cues on and off, you can add it to the Accessibility shortcut or to Control Center. Let's open Control Center and tap the Vehicle Motion Cues control. Now you can turn vehicle motion cues off or set it to turn on automatically in a vehicle. Enjoy the ride with vehicle motion cues. To find out more about the accessibility features on your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or check out our accessibility playlist to keep learning.